Pass to number 44. 44. Tumira ng 3. Okay, Sala. Rebound by 23. Pass to number 12. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Na-drive. Tinira. Pasok. Pasok po. Pasok. Number 12. Okay, may nakikitang foul rep. Number 23. Personal foul, number 23. Third foul, number 23. Third personal foul po. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 16, Tumira. Pasok po. Bangay, 2 points. Score natin, 33-29. Number 12. Pinasa sa number 5. Number 5. 10 seconds, shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6. Tumira. Rebound by 8. 8. Okay, pasok. Number 16. Dinray, pinasa kay 44. 44. Pinasa number 10. 3 points. Okay, Sala. Rebound by 25. Naghahanap na mapasan. As 44. Tumirad. Karim Abdul Jabbar. Number 44. Matindi yun na. Hook shot. Malupit. Number 44. Number 8. Nag-drive. Pasok din. Pasok. Palitan lang po ng tira. Okay, number 44. Giving the ball. Pass to number 25. Okay, pass to number 8. Shot clock, 10 seconds. Pass to 16. 5. Number 5. Rebound. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Drive. Pasok. Pasok po, pasok. Counted. Counted. Time out po. Rep. Oras, 4 minutes. Score po natin. All, 35. 10.
Kabila may foul.
Maganda po laban natin. Tabla na po. All 35. Time remaining 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay po, ito po mga foul. Number 28 sa Bangka P, 1 foul. Number 8, 2 fouls. 23, 3 fouls. 12, 1 foul. 3, 3 fouls. And 3, 1 foul. Kita po, game po tayo. Sa Bangka P naman, ang foul. Bangyay, number 16, 3 fouls. Number 8, 2 fouls. 4, 1 foul. 44, 1 foul. 10, 2 fouls. And 15, 2 fouls. Team foul ng Bangyay, 2 team fouls. Ang Bangka P ay 3. Bonus free throw by number 8. For the lead by Bangka P. For the lead. Okay. Bola po. Bonus free throw. Pag pinasok po ay lamang na ang Bangka P. Okay. Pasok. Lamang na po ang Bangka P ng isa. Score 36-35. Time remaining 4 minutes. For third quarter. Okay? Number 8. Nagharap na pasahan. Pinasa number 16. Tinira ng 3. Sala. Anong tawag, ref? Foul ba? Number 8. Foul.
Bakit ni free?
Number 8, ilang foul na? 8 sa pangkapi. 8, third personal fouls. Shot clock 40 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, foul. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Turnover po ang Bangkapi. Bangyay. Bola ng Bangkapi. Nagkakalito ng pura po eh. Bola po ng Bangkapi. Score 36-35. Time remaining 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Number 12. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 12. No look. Pass. Okay. Tinira. Sala. Rebound ng 15. Foul. Number 5. Ilan po number 5? Penalty na po, rep. Ang
Penalty.
Bangkapi po ay penalty na. 2 free throw. Time remaining 3 minutes and 18 seconds. 1 free throw. Pasok. Okay. And another free throw for the lead again. Papasok ba? Pasok. Laban na ulit ang Bangyay. 37-36. Number 8, Acuna, dribbling the ball. Set ng plate, pass to number 5. Pass to number 23. Rebound ng number 8. Pass to 44. Tinira, block shot. Bola ng Bangkapi. Dribbling the ball. Drive. Pasok, number 5. Wala. Foul.
Okay.
Knockout. Oh. Okay po. Pumito po yung ref. Hindi narinig po. Okay. No count po. No basket.
Di pa. Isa pa.
Wala pa. No basket po. Yun. Bola pa rin ang Bangkapi. Okay po. Score 37-36. Number 28. 10 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 3. Sala. Substitution. 28, sub daw. Pasok. Okay. Time remaining 2 minutes and 29 seconds for third quarter. Score 37-36. 1 point lead by Bangyay. Number 8, dribbling the ball.
Play.
Okay. Number 8. Spin move. Jump shot. Rebound by 16. Okay. Shooting foul. Number 5. Rep. Sino foul? 5. Hindi, shooting foul. 5. Number 5, third personal fouls. 2 free throws by number 16. Time remaining 2 minutes and 13 seconds for third quarter. 1 free throw by number 16. Okay. 1 shot, good. Plus 1. Second free throw. Okay, no good. Rebound. Ay, nakagaw po na number 8. Pasok. Okay, number 12. Number 12. Foul. Number 8. Penalty na. Warning for penalty ang Bangyay. Substitution. Pasok. Number 8, third personal foul.
Ilan na po yung namin? Number 8 po namin. Tanong ba kung ilan kailangan?
Pass to number 5. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 12, 3 points. Okay, rebound by 23. Warang pass. Okay. Na-rebound ng 5. Nakuha ang bola. Ayun. Ano yung rep? Pushing foul. Number 15. Penalty.
Okay lang po.
Bonus to free throw. Penalty.
Good lang.
Score po natin 40-36. Okay, 2 free throw by number 5. One free throw. Okay po. Sala. No good. Oh. Another free throw shot by 5. Pasok ba yun? Pasok? Okay. Score 40-37. Time remaining 1 minute and 47 seconds for third quarter. Naagaw po ni number 18. Naagaw ulit. Naagaw. Nakuha ni number 8. Taas to number 23. Okay, foul. Who's foul? 16. Number 16 ilang foul? Hindi, pwede na. Number 16, fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. Sino? Yung sabi ito po
Ayaw niya.
2 free throws by 23. 1 free throw, no good. Another free throw.
May timer ba kami isa? Kailan ba?
Another free throw. Pasok. Score 40-38. Time remaining 1 minute and 34 seconds for third quarter. Number 8, pass to number 0. 0. Pinasa sa ilalim. 16. Pinasa sa number 15. Foul. 5. Number 5. Warning ka na rin. Number 5. Number 5. Warning na rin. Fourth personal foul. Number 5. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Mamaya, pagka free throw. Free throw na, free throw. Mamaya. Pagka-shot. Pagka-shot ng isa.
Shoot.
40-38. Okay, pasok po mga pasok. Okay, another free throw. Another free throw by number 15.
Ayos!
Pasok again. Time out. Ang Bangyay. Time out.
Hindi natin magagamit na.
Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. Score 42-38. 4-point lead by Bangyay. Hindi po, third pa lang po. Wala na po, tapos na. Wala na. Okay, score po natin 42-38. 1 minute and 20 seconds. May mga warning for graduate na po. Okay. Inyo bantayan ninyo.
Okay. Pasok!
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Bola po ng Bangka Pip. Oras 1 minute and 20 seconds. Mabilisan po. Okay, number 12. Tinira, jump shot. Rebound by number 15. Fast break, 44. Easy layup. Time remaining 1 minute and 6 seconds. Score 44-38. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. 3-point shot.
Wala!
No good. Rebound by number 0. 54 seconds. Pass to number 15. Naku po, turnover. Turnover by number 0. 48 seconds. Left. Third quarter. Again, 48 seconds. Number 3, pass to number 12. Pass to number 23. Tinira, pasok. Counted. Sino foul, rep? Number 8. Ilan na yan? Number 8, fourth. Ilan na 8? Fourth. Warning na. Counted. Counted.
Oh, labas, Aris.
Sab.
Aris. Dalawa, ha? Aris.
Fourth na.
Kaya, ha?
Sab. Okay. Pasok. Time remaining 36 seconds for third quarter. Bonus free throw by 23.
Box out. Apat.
Hindi, line.
Apat yung bangay.
Okay.
Ulit.
Another shot. One shot. Sala pa rin. Rebound by 15. Pass number 0. 36 seconds left, ha? Okay, nakuha number 9. Tinira. Foul. Counted ba, rep? Rep. Knockout. No. Knockout. Not counted. Sa baba po. Not counted. Sino foul? 11. Shooting foul. 2 free throws. Penalty na, rep. Penalty na. 2 free throws na. 26 seconds left for third quarter. Score 44-40. Okay, aboard. Pasok. Last one. Another free throw by number 9. Rebound by 3. Last 26 seconds. Spin move. Traveling violation by number 12. Oras po natin, 21 seconds left for third quarter. 21 seconds left. 21 seconds. 21 seconds left. 21 seconds left. Pasok! Counted!
Ay, bakit to?
Ate.
Lahat?
Ano?
Ano yun? Counted yun?
Bakapi 2 points. Okay. Bola po ng Bangayay. 20 seconds left. Bakit gano'n nangyari? Okay. 20 seconds left for third quarter. Okay. Up. Musog po ang ating musog po. Pakisog po ulit. At baka po 15 seconds po ang natitira para sa third quarter. 15 seconds left. 15 seconds. 14. 13. Tinira eh. Pasok. 10. 9 seconds left. 9 seconds left. Nako, turnover again. 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tapos na po ang third quarter.